Can you see their faces or anything? Am I doing okay?
Yeah. Turn around and look at you.
They were talking about how it's all
Get some good close-up shots.
Yeah, you know, instead of flying right in their face.
Look at this pretty little lady over here in the
Oh,
corner.
I hear you got me. I waved.
Yeah, we want to get you close up. This is your selfie close-up.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. And get that Roger boy right there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Roger Dodger.
Hey, big guy.
What's happening,
How
guy?
goes it? Man, you're a good flyer. Good flyer, Cam. Not too close, man. Not too close, huh?
Yeah, right. Notice how quiet it is. Yeah.
Look at how stable you are.
Amazing how we can talk. Hey, Johnny boy, take a look, Cam. Say hi to the camera, John.
Hey camera, how's it going?
There you go.
All right.
Yeah, that's what we want to do. That's a pretty good idea, right?
Yeah, you know.
Kind of get these people a little face up.
Okay, yeah, let me set this down. This thing's getting,
Get some face time. You can hold.
so that way can you see where you at? If I'm in the right.
Just picture, no sound?
Yes. You can hear audio, video.
Talking.
Oh, it does, huh?
Oh yeah.
So don't start, no cursing.
Be nice.
Be nice, no cursing.
I'll have to edit you out.
You don't care who you sit by, huh, George?
Grab Robert coming down the hole here.
Smile.
Robert, his smile. There you go. Look at those pearly.
Oh, wow.
Water?
That's too good.
Water? Bruce?
I'm good, thank
You
you.
sure? You got us want to set one out here just to have one next to you?
All right, Ray.
George, what about you? Put a stick of water next to you.
How do we get it
Just
out?
rip through the top. Just rip a hole in the top and pour it out.
Look at that.
Let me get one of you.
Oh, I'll get one of me.
You get your selfie going there, buddy.
Now we're buddies, huh?
We've always been close. Oh yeah, look
Okay.
at that facial shot.
Now give it power.
Look at there.
Hello.
Power up. Power up. Hey, buddy. Right here in the sun, huh?
Yes,
That's
sir.
cool.
Beautiful.
All right. Good. That was a good idea, bud.
Raven, you need a water?
Yeah, that's good. I can edit that all out.
Yeah, you know, something different.
Because I couldn't get the close-up.
Yeah, it's too.
Good idea, bud.
So you have a big engine.
That's a good idea.
We'll have to test it to see.
Are you?
One more time to the end. And
Yeah,
then we'll
I'm
shut
giving
off.
it a low profile so
Yeah.
you could.
Well, see, I can adjust this every which way. I'm rolling it up and down. I know. We're getting closer. Look at this guy.
See the water?
Look at this family. Get in. Move on. Move in on that guy. Move on that guy with that Panama hat there. Where are you from, guy? All
Our
right.
president.
Hey, look at him move in on that cute lady next to him.
I
Oh, and
can't.
then Phil.
Look at
Hey boys, what's up?
Now we're getting it. Now we're getting it.
I don't think so.
All those boys turn around. I don't think they turn around and say hi.
Hey, say hi, guys.
Turn around for the camera. All of them. Get those guys.
Hello.
around.
Excuse me.
Man, he's trying to get a
Smack
camera
those-
shot of
Hey.
That's not your good side, guys.
Smack him. Make him turn around.
Hello.
Come on. Get in the
There you
picture.
go.
All right, now you're talking. You can't hide. Don't be funny. You can't hide.
But they put very little plastic on the helicopter.
Say hello.
Hello, Ray.
Good job.